A quick tutorial video on how to set up Mumble, because I know a lot of people were complaining about the setup and it is confusing. So first thing you want to do is go to this URL, sourceforge.net/projects/mumble, and if that's too long, I made a tiny URL. Just go to tinyurl.com/faxmumble, all one word. So you're going to hit the download button. I'm doing it on Windows. It's good for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So I already installed it, so I will... Oh my gosh, let's get this. I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible. So go ahead and click your install, run, and I'm just going to go through the whole process. So accept. Mumble, you want client, not server. Go to finish, and then start Mumble. Oh, I already have it. So I already have all the stuff set up. So once you open it up, you want to go to your settings first of all, and under settings, down at the bottom right here, you want to click advanced. See how it changes everything. So for your input, you want your default device. Echo disabled, don't do echo. So if you want to do push to talk, which I recommend, just click that, and then the second thing you need to do is go over here to shortcuts, and then so you go to shortcuts, make sure you hit the add button, right click unassigned, or just left click, drop down, should be the second option, push to talk, and then click over here on shortcut and press shortcut. I'm going to use left shift, hit apply. So now you have push to talk ready. So go back to audio input, transmit, turn both of these off, display push talk in the window, uncheck that. Quality, that's up to you. Noise suppression, up to you. Now your output, default jitter, buffer, set that all the way to the lowest. Volume, up to you. That's your output. If people saying you're too quiet or loud, this is where you go. Output, adjust this. So I'm at 80%. Oh, around there. Output delay. Make sure this is the lowest. And then you don't want this enabled. Basically what this does is when someone else talks, or when you talk, it'll mute or lower all volume on your computer. So lower music, game, everything. I think that's annoying. I just keep it off. Position audio, nothing. User interface, I just use default, system default. Shortcuts, that's it. Network connections, okay. Plugins, I don't have anything. Overlay, nothing. So just hit OK. Now to add a server, hit connect, and then add new. Label, you can have whatever you want, so like awesome nuts. Address, it's usually a URL. This port, just leave it, it's default, but if it's empty, have 64738. And username, it has to be unique, and that's it. And I think when you connect, you have to create a certificate. Just create one, and that should be it. So let me connect to mine. See, so now I'm on here, and yep, that's it. So that is how you set up and use Mumble, and good luck.